looked pretty good. I think people were generally doing what they needed to do to keep some distance, to protect themselves.
It's a positive sign for Ohio Governor Mike Dewine. The numbers he's looking at indicating the COVID-19 pandemic may be slowing down as more businesses continue to open up.
Best sanitation, best distancing. These are all things that are just so important as we reopen our economy.
Ohio was one of the first states in the country to close down schools and businesses, and now they, like many others, are opening back up. This week, Dewine says more than 90% of businesses will be back up and running.
We got to reopen our economy. We want to do it, but we also have to do it safely.
But the state, like many others, are still feeling the pandemic's effect. Dewine says local and state governments will have less money to work with, which will lead to budget cuts. At the state level, it could have a big impact on education.
$716 million of cuts. Unfortunately, some of that had to come from our schools.
He's hoping for more federal money to help fix that problem.
The CARES Act dollars and the other dollars so that we can, if we need to, move some of that money, frankly, to education.
For Northwest Ohio, he says farmers could be getting some more help soon. He says the past 2 years has been extremely difficult for them and says there are ways for farmers right now to get some additional funds, like with the H2 Ohio program.
Pay farmers, give them money in exchange for doing certain things that would slow down the runoff they're into Lake Erie.
It's all an attempt to get the state back to where it needs to be, but he says it won't come at the cost of people's lives.
It's not a question of does the economy come back, economy versus health. That's not the deal at all. These two are so intertwined together.